So if you want to insert images into your Google Sheets, it's sometimes not as simple as just copying and pasting. And let's say you want to insert it from a PDF. So here's how to do it. I go to my Adobe Acrobat, I click on that image, then I right click on it, click on Save Image As, then I title it. So in this case, I'm going to title it to, and just a quick tip, if it's not saving, delete the suffix .jpg and write it back in, and that will usually save it. That's something I just figured out the hard way. Okay, so next we go to our Google Sheet. This is where we want to paste that image. We're going to go up to Insert, then down to Image, Insert Image to Cell. You can drag it or you can browse to it. I'm going to browse to it, and this is the image we're trying to paste. It's not available yet. Uh, it should be available. Please. There it is. Okay, so there's the image. It should paste in it. There it is. Okay, and now we can adjust the size if we need to. I hope that helps. If you're doing a proof matrix for litigation,